Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone is updated and backed up. This avoids surprises when changing settings. Next, grant yourself time to audit apps. Identify recent installs and apps using full screen overlays. Install a reputable ad blocker or set a private DNS now, because these act immediately to reduce ads across apps and browsers. Once done, revoke unnecessary permissions like drawing over apps and location access. This reduces targeted ads and pop-ups, while you now move into deeper controls. Set private DNS to a blocker or route through Pi-hole. This stops many ad domains before they load. Then, open each app and disable personalized ads, background data, and permissions that feed advertisers. Do this one app at a time so you don't break needed features. Make sure to use an ad-blocking VPN or host file list for apps that ignore DNS. When configured correctly, these tools catch display ads, video pre-rolls, and trackers that slip through. You finish by testing across browsers, apps, and cellular versus Wi-Fi to ensure ads are blocked consistently. Check private browser tabs too. If an app malfunctions after blocking, re-enable the minimum permission or whitelist a single domain rather than undoing everything, because targeted exceptions fix functionality while preserving most protections. Finally, schedule quarterly checks to update block lists and review privacy settings. Make sure to keep blockers updated so new ad domains and trackers stay covered.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.